Blue Girl here. Today I am making my mega parrot. Can't wait to see it. Want to give a thanks to Big Sammy. She actually helped me out with this one. So thank you. First one, second one. My last lovely bird. OMG, OMG. Aw, he's so cool. Aw. Thank you guys for all of the support. Um, Write down a comment below what you think we should name him. I'm voting for Jeff, but there might be a better name out there. Yes. Oh, he's so cute. Wait. So if anyone wanted to know what a mega parrot looks like, here you go. Hope you enjoy. Bye.